Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another dunk for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you can tell, it's a normal dunk. Let's go and open and see which one it is. Ooh, dunks. Here we go. There we are. Let's just unbox these ones. There we go. And here we are. The dark Russet, I believe they are calling these. The dark curries. What does it say in the box? These are the dunk, these are the premium. Yeah, so these are the dunk Russet's premium highs, and as you can see from the quality, they have used some very nice premium materials on these shoes. Very nice. Let's first start off with the sole. As you can see, they have used some kind of beige bottom, then in the midsole you have the nice white, then you have this very nice nappy suede, very nice, with a bit of color changing effect, and you have this nice nubuck or suede, which is like an ash black and a very nice color changing effect as well. The materials on this pair is high grade, very good. Then you have another tone with a nice suede, as you can see on the swoosh, which goes all the way to the back tab. Very nice. This is actually a very nice, like a autumn shoe. And then if we go inside, you've got the orange insole with the black Nike tick, and then you've got this lace that almost matches the swoosh. It's a darker little tone. Got the nylon tongue with the brown Nike wing tick. Very nice pair of shoes. This is how the dunks should be made, with high grade materials. I won these in the raffle here in the UK. It's a code size, and I managed to win the raffle. I believe it came to £105, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars, but the resale now is going close to like 170. So yes, it's not too much on the resale price, but I think when a lot of people see the quality, when they get these, see the quality in hand, the resale prices are gonna start going through the roof. These are very nice pair of shoes. Very nice. Show you the other pair. It does not come with any extra laces, as you can see. That's how they look like in the front. Very nice. Yes, I was saying the size shop here in the UK, they don't actually double box their shoes, so my box came a bit damaged, but that is not a problem because these are for the toe. I'm not going to sell them, I'm going to wear them. That is what I do. I wear my shoes, I do not sell. So yes, all in all, very nice pair of shoes. If you like your dunks, then I would highly recommend trying to grab these. These are very nice. I will give you a quick on hand shoot how you look if you wear them like this. Very nice. I still don't have the budget for the on feet, but this is how they look on hand. Very nice. Yes guys, so if you can grab them, you will not be disappointed. Quality is amazing. As you can see, ashy black onto the nappy suede, onto the nice swoosh, onto the two-tone bottoms, onto the laces. Everything about the shoe, A1 quality. So always guys, if you like the review, I'm going to catch you on the next review, and as always, believe da.